I done came too far to go back.
What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. Out here at the Long Beach Pike, about to go check out the Nike outlet. Haven't been to this one in a long time. They even got these AJKOs right here. Pretty clean right here, pretty nice. It's like a little heat section right here with 30% off. Style shoes, they got these women's Jordan 2s right here. 30% off, that's pretty dope. Or Air Max Plus. I like these, the colorway not too bad either. They got these too. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? The colorway is not too bad, I like these. Of course the colorway is fire, but I guess nobody really likes this going on here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Not really doing too much retail arbitrage here, but let's see what we got. Zoom, next. Anything interesting over here? Nike structures. Nothing too crazy. Bigger sizes, no. They definitely changed this one up since the last time I was here. We got the LeBron 3s here in a size 12. LeBron barbershops. Kind of clean. Let's see what else we got here. Anything in particular? 30% off this weekend too. That's good. I'm surprised to see these here. Definitely a return, but clean. People probably thought these were gonna resell, and they definitely didn't. But these are retail with 30% off. Okay, it's 89 with 30% off. 30% off the back wall is always good, you know what I mean? LeBron Witness 6s. Nothing too crazy. LeBron 19 down to 119. I believe it's an extra 30% off of this too. LeBron 19 also for 119 as opposed to 120. And a few sizes here too. The Soldiers as well as the Immortalities down to 69 bucks. Kyrie Flytrap 5s over here, 79 bucks with 30 off. Nothing too crazy, but there are some good finds. We got some premium Air Max 95 down here. I like these, pretty clean. 190 still, but 30% off of them. Size 11. Nothing else really crazy. On the aisle, we got some Huaraches. Normally 130 down to 74 with an extra 30% off. That's pretty fire right there. Good quality on that. We got these ones down to $99 also with a 30% off on these Huaraches. 30% off for Labor Day weekend is good, man. And we got these, the Go Fly East, down to 89 with an additional 30% off. They got some sizes here too. Let me know what you guys think about these Fly East. I think these are pretty clean. Then we got these over here, the Space Hippie 01s from 130 to 69 with an extra 30% off. Space Hippies are very comfortable. Crazy to see these guys down so cheap right now. Got these waffle debuts going for 44 bucks with 30% off. Normally 130. That is a steal right there. That's crazy. Now we got these down to 89. The Waffle 1 SE, $89 with 30% off additional. Gray colorway of the Air Pegasus 83 down to $69 with an extra 30% off. Then we got the Tailwind in this green colorway, the Tailwind 79 down to 49 bucks, man, from 80 down to 49 with 30% off on that too. Then we got the Crater Impact SE, used to be $100 retail down to 79 with 30% off on those too, man. That's pretty dope. What the hell? This Nike Offline 2.0, normally 130. This thing looks crazy. Now $64 with an additional 30% off. This is wild right here. Nike Challenger OG, now $49 with an extra 30% off, man. That 30% extra is helping. Look at this display wall. Like, what are we missing right here, right? That's crazy. Normally 85 down to 59 for the Renew Fusion. We got this Air Max 90. I like this colorway. Normally 150 down to 119 with 30% off, and they do got some sizes. Well, I'm seeing from 8 up to I think 10.5 is the biggest size on these. But this colorway is definitely fire. Let me know what you guys think about these. Look at the materials on them. Got the gum outsole too. What is this right here? The Nike Air Max Pre-Day. Since there's no thing on display, let's take it out the box. Oh, Nike Air Max Pre-Day, normally 140 down to 120 with an extra 30% off. 30% off. Then if you got a new account or a birthday coupon, whatever, like Air Max Dawn, $94 with an extra 30% off on these too. That's not a bad colorway. We got it in this colorway. I think I like this one better. $69 on this one as opposed to 110. Damn, 69 bucks. And Genome, I like this blue colorway, man. I haven't really seen this. No size 13. I would grab this. This is $79. I would assume with an extra 30% off. I don't know for sure though. Nike Air Max Infinity 2. Now it's 79 bucks with the 30% off in 2 colorways. This black one here too, I think I like that one a little bit more. 79 with 30% off. This newer Air Force One I've been seeing in the stores with that different type of material. 89 bucks, used to be 150. 89 with 30% off, that's crazy. Down to 49 bucks from $90. The Air Max XE, and these are pretty dope. 49 with 30% off. Back wall, got some stuff, but nothing too crazy, man. I haven't really seen anything on the back wall that we really would grab, you know what I'm saying? Really on the aisles more, the better thing, having more things to find. They got these Prestos here, a newer Presto, 130 with 30% off. So things are here with 30% off, but they're retail with 30% off. So normal retail with additional 30% off on the back wall, which is not a bad situation, you know what I'm saying? Just haven't really seen anything too crazy. Got like that chlorophyll trainers, 89 bucks with 30% off. Pretty clean for those. 30% off the wall. Air Max 95. Pegasus Trail 2, normally 130 down to 89 bucks. That's pretty clean on those. Pretty good size run of them here. Another colorway of the Pegasus Trail 2. I think this one is actually pretty fire. 1 in 10 scale. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Air Zoom Pegasus 38. 79 bucks as opposed to 120 on those. They also have them in the black colorway too, 120 as opposed to $80. I like this colorway, the Zoom Windflow 8, 89 bucks. Women's Zoom Flow 8, 79 as opposed to $90. Another colorway, also $79 as well. Pegasus 37, down to $69 here for the black colorway, and down to $89 for this white colorway. I wonder if there's 30% off on those two. It doesn't say that there. But the 37 is already down, and you got these for $74 also. I like this colorway. Pretty loud. Pegasus Trail 2, $89 as opposed to $90. Ladies, they got this Air Force One Sculpt. I like the materials on here. Full retail of $135, no discount there. Seen these in the store, I guess that's why. Maybe they're still retail for $110. What do you guys think about the Air Force One 07 Mid? Got some of these on deck for women's. The Zoom 10 Pro Next Percent Fly East, retail with 30% off the back wall. This is size 7. So we got some Zoom Pegasus 37 for 59 bucks. Triple black Hirachis, retail 9.5 the size. They got this women's Air Max 90, normal retail for $130. I like the colorway on here though, but it's no discounts on them. But they do got a pretty good size run of them. Got it over here again. They have so many, they have it on display twice. What do you guys think about this colorway in the comments below? Air Max 97 for the ladies. I have seen this in the store right now also, regular store. They have them here for retail $185. These are pretty dope too, $139 as opposed to $165. Pretty good size run of these Vapor Max Pluses. Normally $210 down to $159. Colorway's not too bad for the women's. I'm not mad at these. What do you guys think in the comments below, of course? A lot of dope shoes here, man. Got these here normally $70 down to $49. Women's Renew in season TR, kind of a different shoe right there. Women's Air Max Core Light, normally $95 down to $59. What do you guys think about this colorway? Now this is a pretty good deal right here. Nike React Flyknit Run 2, $160 is the normal price, down to 99 bucks. Got a pretty good amount here. I'm seeing from 7 up to 11.5. Let me know what you guys think about this colorway. So we got these here, the Nike Air Max Motif, M-O-T-I-F. Normally $140 down to $89. This colorway right here on this Renew, it looks like it would be an ID or the Elevate, Renew Elevate. What do you guys think about this one in the comments below? Nike Air Max SC, $80, no deals. Nike Air Max Terra Vista, normally $120 down to $109. What do you guys think about this colorway, the Pegasus 83? I like this colorway, man. I'm not mad at this one at all. Stadium green, sail, and black. You can't go wrong with this one. $95 on the retail. Nike Air Force One High, normal retail $125, all white with the black swoosh. Air Max 2017 for $109. This is such a bright, vibrant colorway. What do you think about these? They got another colorway, the navy blue, with the $164 price point though. They taxing. So there is a deal on the triple red 270s. Was $150 down to $109. Then we have another one here right next to it, a newer colorway release that's $190 on the retail. $59 for the Waffle Trainer SE in this colorway. $49 for the blue colorway. Nike SB Alley Oop, $69 as opposed to $75. Shirt is cool. 30% off the lifestyle, 30% off of $30. Then we got these shorts here, $69. I don't know about that one. Slide on through. We got some basketball shorts. Colorways are cool. I'm not really feeling them too much. Retail on them is $39. This black colorway is kind of cool too. Got zippers on the pockets at least, you know what I'm saying? Got some hoodies here. $90 for this. I like this colorway, but don't like the price point. Got some apparel over here too. 20% off of the compression pants, normally $35. Pricey for those. Colorways is cool, but yeah, they taxing. 20% off though. Okay, this might be a good one right here. They got some kids pressos, $44 with an extra 20% off. They got size 7s here, I don't know. Might have to pull the trigger on triple black. That's pretty good right there, I like that. Got some Air Max 97s. We've been seeing these on sale at Shoe Palace. 110 also, normally 180 with an extra 30% off on those. That's actually pretty dope. And then they got some of these Zoom Fly 4s, normally 160 down to $99 with an extra 30% off on those too. Women's Air Max Dawn, 110 normally down to 59 with 30% off on that too. That's a pretty good price point. And they got them in a couple colorways. Bunch of the Nike Overbreaks on the back wall, 140 with 30% off on those. More Air Max 95s, 109 with 30% off as opposed to 180. Huaraches down here too. 44 with 30% off. You got Witnesses and Fly Traps over here. They got these up in here too now. Whoa. These weren't here earlier. 12 and a half. $79 with 30% off. That might be a good little steal right here actually.
No, you go. I ain't gonna be y'all bullshit. No, come on.
All right, so we're gonna wrap it up, man. We did come across some cool things here. Let me know what you guys feel like is the best find. Hit the like button, share the video, join my Discord, link is in the description. And follow me on IG also, you dig? And become a member on my IG, why not? I'm about to get out of here, deuces.